Hello students, I am Vikram Pramanik, a teacher from Valley Public School. Today we will discuss this chapter for students of class 9, The Fun They Had. The story is written by Isaac Asimov. Students, before starting this chapter, I would like to give you a brief introduction about this story. This is a very light story. It is set in the future. It will make all of you love school. This story is regarding school life and how those children who do not go to school miss school. The setting of this story is in the future when perhaps there will be no school, no books. Now, how those students will miss going to school and will feel that their ancestors, that is the present generation, you all had fun going to school, meeting and helping each other. In the end, we come to know that this is an imagination of a young girl named Margie, who comes to know that their ancestors used to go to school, all the children used to study together. She feels that they all had a lot of fun when they went to school. So, when we read the story, we feel that school life is very good and we are fortunate that we have real schools where we go, meet friends and get a chance to study together. Students, it is a very good and interesting stories. Please pay attention and I'm going to start the explanation of the story. The fun they had. The first line, see, even on the screen. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary on the page headed 17th May 2157. She wrote, "Today, Tommy found a real book." Margie is the main character of the story. I must tell you students, Margie is the main character of the story. She is a girl of 11 years of age. She writes a diary on the night of 17th May 2157. Right now we are living in 2020. As told earlier, the story is set in the future and it is set in the year 2157. So almost 1.5 century, that is 140 years from now. At the time, Margie writes an entry in her diary that she writes that Tommy found a real book and she is feeling so strange because in her times real books do not exist. They only have e-books, the virtual books. So books in the format of print on paper are extinct and so Margie is astonished to see a real book. See next line. It was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. It means Margie is reminded of her grandfather now. He told her that his grandfather studied all the books that were printed on paper. So, this kind of book is historical or ancient for them. Something which they cannot believe, they cannot imagine. They turned the pages, which were yellow and crinkly, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen, you know. Let me explain the difficult word, crinkly. Crinkly means with many folds or lines, something that is crashed. It means Margie is talking about the book that Tommy had found. She says that the pages of the book had turned yellow and they had been crushed as it was very old. The children found it very funny to read the words which stood still. Now, what does it mean by that words that stood still? As the words were printed on the pages, they did not move. On the other hand, the books that Margie and Tommy read were online, means e-books. So, in the e-books, how it happens? The text keeps on moving as your screen moves, but it was different in the books printed on papers. And then when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. It means this was a very strange experience for these children. When you have a book which is printed on paper, whenever you flip the pages, you to get to see the same thing written on the pages. On the other hand, in an e-book, the text keeps on changing on the screen. The screen is same. You have the same screen in front of you, but the text keeps on changing. So whenever you go back, the text is different. So what Tommy say? See on the screen. Gee, said Tommy, what a waste. When you are through with the book, you just throw it away. I guess our television screen must have had 1,000,000 books on it, and it's good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away. What Tommy replies here? Tommy disliked the printed book. He said that it was a waste because he felt that whenever you complete reading a book, you have to throw it away. You cannot have some different story written on the same book. On the contrary, he felt that the computer screen was very good because the same screen had shown many books and still he could read many more on it. He would not have to throw the screen away when once he had read a particular story. Same with mine, said Margie. When she was 11 and hadn't seen as many telebooks as Tommy had, he was 13. Yes. Margie agreed with Tommy's opinion. Why? Because Margie was 11 years of age and she has not read as many books as Tommy had because Tommy was older to Margie. He was 13 years of age. So here we come to know that Tommy is 2 years older than Margie. What Margie says? She said, where did you find it? Margie asked Tommy that where had he found the printed book. In my house, he pointed without looking because he was busy reading. In the attic. Let me explain the difficult word attic. What attic means? A space just below the roof used as a storeroom. So attic means storeroom. So Tommy replied to Margie that he found the printed book in the storeroom of his house. He was so busy reading the book that he did not remove his glance from the book. Then again Margie asks, what's it about? Margie asked what the book was about. School. Tommy replied that the book was about school, about going to school. about the life at school. Margie was scornful. School? What's there to write about school? I hate school. Scornful means contempt pages, showing you think something is worthless. Show your dislike for something. Margie hated the word school, and so she said that what was there to write about it, that an entire book had been written about school? Here Margie finds very strange because she dislikes school. Margie always hated school, but now she hates it more than ever. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing hours and hours until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. What is Margie's school? Why Margie hates school? Margie's school was a virtual classroom. It was not a real school like we have today. So, in the future, we are thinking that the schools will be virtual classrooms. There will be machines that will be teaching the children. Margie hated the machine because it was giving her so many tests in geography which were very difficult for her, and she was performing very bad. Finally, her mother thought that there was something wrong with the machine, and so she called the county inspector to check it. Students, county inspector means the mechanic who repairs computers, machines. Students, till now we have completed a portion of the story. I hope you have understood. If you don't, so see my video not only once but twice, thrice to understand it better. So for today, this session is ending here. I will make the another part of the same story. I hope you will understand them. So thank you very much for now. Bye.